Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, this is your new number concept series book 2. Now open at page number 54. Children, today we will write after numbers. Before starting after number, you must know the sequence of number. Okay children, we will start our work. Which number is this? Yes, this is number 13. You know children, what's come after 1, 3, 13? Yes, 1, 4, 14. So we will write here 1, 4, 14. And which number is this? Yeah, this is number 2, 8, 28. So children, tell me what come after 2, 8, 28? Yes, 2, 9, 29. 2, 9, 29. And what's come after 3, 6, 36? Yes, 3, 7, 37. We will write here 3, 7, 37. And what's come after 2, 3, 23? Yes, 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. And what's come after 4, 2, 42? Yes, 4, 3, 43. And what's come after 1, 9, 19? Yes, 2, 0, 20. So we will write here 2, 0, 20. And children, do you know what's come after 7? Yes, 8. Very good. And what's come after 1, 5, 15? Yes, 1, 6, 16. We will write here 1, 6, 16. And what's come after 2, 4, 24? Yes, 2, 5, 25. Very good. And what's come after 1, 6, 16? Yes, 1, 7, 17. We will write here 1, 7, 17. Okay, children. You will complete this page at home in the guidance of your parents. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.